right? When you don't care, you at the drive-thru getting everybody else some food, but you can't enjoy yours because you know your food gonna get cold.
Can you tell them to add on the
Get that money up out of my purse. Quan. On the side. Can you add? Can you add? I see what you're doing. Can you add on the 2 small Sprites? I'm sorry, I forgot.
Oh, to the 2 chicks out of pickle price.
Yeah.
13.
and a biscuit for the other one.
It come with a biscuit.
Add on a biscuit. For
You want another biscuit? Okay. You know they don't supposed to be. And on that second order, she want another biscuit.
10.29 for a second.
Huh, Queen?
This is first. What y'all eating on? Huh, close my stuff up. Anyway, y'all, so I'm back. Let me get up out of this. I'm gonna eat my food. It's a good candy.
I'm trying to zoom down a little bit. All right, y'all. We already said our prayers and all this, but I got a Chipotle Burrito Bowl with chicken, steak, black beans, the corn mixture, the salsa, the tomato salsa. I put my queso cheese on there, and I got romaine lettuce. Y'all, it's about to go down. I got my chips right here. And they back there eating on Popeyes. Well, they over here eating, well, Tequila eating Popeyes and Queen eating Popeyes. Jamie, y'all eat Popeyes. And,
What is
Eric in here.
what is that?
What y'all eating on?
Why
And
would
this
they
man,
put that sign right
he
there?
being nosy trying to see what we doing back here.
I ain't studying notice. He just happened to notice.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm sorry.
Go back. Go. Go back. Go.
The steak is not,
It's working.
that tender.
It just.
But we went, in the Germantown area.
No.
Why you didn't get chicken?
I got chicken in here. Usually I just put everything except for that pork. So,
Come on, hurry up.
I had ordered last night. And with everything going on, you have to order online and pay for your stuff online. So I ordered my stuff online and went and picked it up. Needless to say, it was late. So y'all got the order. And that the queso was running. You know, if the queso was hot, like hot and temperature running, that's okay. And you know when it cool down, it's gonna have its thickness. So
Hey guys,
it didn't. The rice was so hard, like they just pulled it out the bag.
I just saw the out of me.
So I went back. I put it up there, like, and my husband, he had a burrito. Cause he started eating his food and he didn't eat his burrito. He was like, the rice was hard. I'm talking about it was so hard, like when you take your rice and you, before you cook it and you can break it like that. That rice, I said they wrong for that.
Mama, that's all right, Mama. Mama, what's that noise? What's that noise?
So I just feel like the people,
That was
Everybody
crazy.
under a lot of pressure right now.
I mean, I understand if you, but I understand the under pressure part. But my thing is, don't go to work. If you're not gonna serve nothing that you ain't gonna eat, don't do it. Or say you ain't got it.
They closed at 10, right? What time did you go up in there?
It was 9:30. At 9:15, I placed my order. I don't care if you close at 9 o'clock.
See,
It don't matter. Regardless, whatever the service is supposed to be rendered throughout the time from open to close. It ain't no slacking. It ain't because I'm finna close, I'm gonna give you whatever. You know, that ain't that. No,
It's mine. You got some sweet.
You supposed to be there. You supposed to take pride in what you do in your job, and that's what you do. You don't do that. You don't get nobody know anything.
I like a drink.
That's just like somebody come over your house. You invite them over your house to a party. You got your food and your drink.
I feel like this spicy
Sorry,
chicken.
Mama.
You mean to tell me you gonna give them some nasty food or some uncooked food and you invited them? What that's gonna say about you?
What?
I'm talking to you. Since you saying that
You didn't even know what I was gonna say about
people
the
under
situation.
pressure.
If you let your window up, it's a big old wow.
It seems like people were busier.
Oh, there it goes. Buy your
Sorry
window.
about that plane. Ain't it here?
It was finna come in there.
Oh, baby, now I'm hot.
Is it over there?
It's gonna come in.
Yeah, they ain't gonna. If I come this early, then we ain't gonna be. I ain't gonna be able to hear where this comes. No, I'm talking about while I'm doing the video. I should really just eat vegetables and stuff, cause really that's what I really like.
Great.
I'm sorry y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, cause if I would've went home, my food was really cold and I wasn't gonna be mad, and I wasn't gonna do no video.
Oh no.
Yep. It's
It was
spicy.
deadly soft.
Do it taste okay?
Mm-hmm. I'm just not a
Spicy chicken.
mm-mm. No, ma'am.
But anyway,
I
y'all,
don't want that.
Give me a piece of your bacon.
that's the reason why I do a lot of home cooking.
Bread.
Because A lot of people don't take pride in what they do.
I think I'm finna go in there and get me a lemonade.
You want some of my Sprite?
I don't want nothing carbonated.
Lemonade got carbonation in it too.
Well, it don't pop in my mouth.
But you got acid. Yeah. Well,
Yeah. You full, Queen?
it was good.
Queen, are you okay? Yeah, I'm full. You full, Queen? You would get hurt.
It's sad, ain't it? You got to pay your children.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
To do something for you. And ain't nobody paid me to do.
No, first you told me you Jerry on one. Then you said you want
I said I pay you. Come on.
and then Red told me to get him.
Good now.
So you know what I'm saying? Hey,
But
you
make
too.
sure y'all
Y'all like my hair, I did it myself.
she changed up on me, y'all. She did my hair. But y'all, these chips are good. This food is good. Last night the chips seemed like they was stale. Everything went right. I started just gonna give me a refund, but I didn't. I said, no, you do a do-over. So, whew, I am full with this rice. Get your food with this brown rice and black beans and chicken. If for real you get full.
The one thing I would get from Chipotle is a burrito.
But it's gonna be the same thing.
Look, it's rich. What is it doing? You finished? No, it's my chicken.
You full?
Your stomach full, Mama?
You full?
This is large. I just noticed that.
But make sure y'all.
My stomach is
That ain't a lot. The lime is plastic.
like, oh.
You know what? When I do the survey. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know. We're about to do a challenge. I'm calling out my daughter, Queen,
Oh, my face breathing.
to do this challenge with me, y'all. Y'all, these chips are good. Okay. Let me tell y'all. They lime. I like lime, they chipped. You know when they chipped, it's fresh. If you don't taste the lime and that little bit of sprinkle of salt on it, they ain't fresh. So,
You okay?
so y'all, make sure y'all put in the comments challenge if y'all want to see us do this challenge. Alright? Put in the comments challenge. And y'all do what?